Hey guys, and welcome to this video. Today I want to find the value of this expression 12 minus 1 divided by 2. Maybe you solve this expression like this. 12 minus 7 gives us 5, and 5 divided by 2 gives us 5 over 2. But this answer is not correct. According to the rules of mathematics PEMDAS that is here, we have to solve this expression in this way. First parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication and division, and then addition and subtraction. So according to this rule, we have one division here that we have to solve it first. So 7 divided by 2 gives us 7 over 2. And now let's rewrite the expression. We had 12 minus 7 over 2. So we have to solve this expression in this way. In the numerator we have 2. Now 2 divided by, here is 1. Now 2 divided by 1 gives us 2, and 2 times 12 gives us 24, minus, and 2 divided by 2 gives us 1, and 1 times 7 gives us 7. Now we have 24 minus 7 gives us 17 over 2. The final answer is 17 over 2. Thank you for watching. Excuse me. The final answer is 17 over 2. Thank you for watching.